Hello guys, well done. God bless you. Dr. Tam. Okay, I want to show you in this video how you can actually create your own core wallet, all right, and then link it up with core various. Okay, and the process is very simple. I'm going to be using the Safepal app, right? Let me show you. This is the Safepal app. Can you see this? All right, this is the app I want to use. All right, I want to use this app to get that done for you. It's very simple. Can you see this app, right? So just tap on it. Now if you are using it from the scratch, when you download and install it, it's not going to appear like this for you, all right, at the beginning. But then while you are using it, okay, this coins going to be popping up, right? Going to be popping up. So how do you create a wallet and link it up? That's what I want to show you in this video. We can talk about some other things later on. It's very simple and it's actually very good. Okay, for me it's easier and very kind of like it's enough the friendly. The interface is very friendly compared to that even token pocket. That is what I don't know about you, but of course you can use both of them together, right? So what do you do if you want to create a new wallet? What do you do? Tap on this up here. Can you see this up there, right? Just tap on it. Then you're going to see add wallet. You can see I've added wallet here, right? So you just click on add wallet, and then you go to come here and click on software wallet. All right, click on software wallet, and then click on create a new wallet. Just do that. Now when you do that, put a pin. All right, just insert a pin. So when you put a pin, okay, that will go up, and then you put the name of the wallet you want to create. Let's say for instance I want to call it a core1, for instance. Okay, you can call it, let's say, core_1. Okay, let me do that, and then click on what, continue. And then when you do that, okay, this is good. Your wallet is automatically created. That is the simple truth. All right, don't need to create password or whatever. Okay, then what you're going to do is to create backup manually. Click on backup manually, and then put in these 12 phrases. All right, put them in there, and then click on next. When you are done that, okay, you are good to go. Just make sure you write them down correctly. What you do is click on next, and then put them back here one after the other. That's when you are putting everything like this, and everything is a click on what, verify. Okay, and then you are good to go. All right, so the wallet is created automatically, right? So what do you do? How can you now connect it to your core various account? You can see it's core1. You can see the name of the wallet, right? core_1. You can see that. Okay, so what do you do when you want to create when you want to connect it to core various? What do you do is what, click on explore. All right, click on explore, and then go get the referral code, the referral link you want to use. All right, tap on the link, the up there, then just make sure you paste the wallet, the referral link that your upline gave to you, your sponsor gave to you. Just put it in there. All right, when you put it there, what you do is just click on what, go. When you click on go, it will take you to core various automatically. You can see that it will land on core various. Now when you get to core various, because the account is not connected to the, click on what, confirm here. Okay, click on confirm. When that is done, then you can safely by yourself put in what is, you can see register now, right? Then at this point, okay, make sure your gas fee has been given to you, right? Gas fee has been given to this account, and then click on register now, and then you put in your details and all of that, and you are good to go. See, I don't have gas fee, so it's not connected as it is, right? But I need to make sure that I have gas fees, and then connect it to it, and then off we go. These are to actually get to your core various account. So do you understand what I'm saying, right? All right, make sure you like and share this video to as many persons as possible, because there are so many persons who want to also have other talents, because some persons have issues about their token pocket not working for them because of the nature of their phone. So at this point you can use Safepal to go through that. Okay, Safepal is actually very friendly. The interface is very friendly, so you can skate through that. If you are using all those techno phones and the rest, okay, you can use Safepal to get this done by yourself. All right, God bless you. See you some other time. Bye for now.